Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I invite you to talk about a cryptocurrency platform called Bricken. Earlier I already told you about this project, but it seems to me that a lot has changed and it's time to take a look at the updates in its activities. In addition, I suggest you to talk about the whitelist of the platform in which you can register. So let's get started. First of all, let's remember what Bricken is. Bricken is a token offering a management platform that provides companies with a blockchain-agnostic infrastructure to issue utility or security tokens and NFTs and allows them to easily manage these digital assets. In simple words, it is a blockchain-based tokenization platform that allows businesses and assets to be tokenized, providing investors with the opportunity to earn passive income. In this case, tokenization means the division of a business or asset into fractional parts in the form of equivalent tokens that anyone can purchase at any time. In this way, Bricken opens up liquid markets for you that were previously only available to institutional investors. Bricken is developing its own DApp that provides the tools individuals and businesses need to issue their own security tokens anywhere in the world, using Web 3.0 to fund by attracting new investors with their token master and token storage, management and decision-making by automating the execution of corporate actions with tools for KYC, cap tables, voting pools, and real-time analytics, as well as streamlining international treasury operations by connecting their assets to CeFi or DeFi protocols and custodians. Leading consulting firms have stated that the digital asset market will reach $16 trillion by 2030. Bricken has already taken the right steps to position itself in the market. Bricken's vision is to build a self-sustaining, self-governing and self-funded ecosystem focused on security token offerings. Bricken offers a market-leading, decentralized and compliant platform for STO execution and investment management, creating a secure, transparent and convenient tokenization fundraising solution. The project was created with the support of Ferris Capital and OX Capital, as well as Hillstone, Silver Rock Group, Digital Gold Capital and Veritas. Bricken raised $2 million from 1,900 different investors in a community round. The bootstrap was $60,000, and about $15,000 was received from the Startup Bootcamp, another $60,000 from angels, and the project received a subsidy as one of the best technology startups in Spain from the European Investment Fund. This amount amounted to $325,000. Thus, the total income is about $2.5 million. Now I suggest you take a look at the project roadmap. As you can see, Bricken is actively developing and collaborating with various enterprises. Thanks to the platform, 6 projects were successfully launched, including 2 properties in Spain for a total of 1.8 million euros, an NFT marketplace for 100,000 euros, a launch of B2B blockchain services with an attraction of 60,000 euros, a real estate project and a family Veritas UK office. In addition, more than 100 different projects are in development. There have been changes in the platform team. The number of employees has increased by 500%, and the community of investors, ambassadors and experts is also actively expanding. You can learn more about the future plans of the project by going to its official website. Let's take a look at the Bricken token. BKN is a key driver of the ecosystem and the main payment method on the platform. This token has several use cases, from issuance fees for asset tokenization to marketing, legal and financial services. It also acts as collateral for issuers in fulfilling their obligations to investors, and allows investors to directly use the token as a payment method when investing in new token issues. At the end of this video, I would like to tell you about the upcoming event, where you can get BKN tokens at the best price, as well as get a cash prize. You can register on the whitelist and be one of the lucky ones who will get access to the first round of the token presale in February 2023. At this stage, the token will trade at $0.11, after which its price will increase to $0.13, and at the time of listing it will be $0.16. I recommend that you quickly follow the link in the description and become one of the 1,000 participants who will receive the maximum benefit. In addition, 10 $100 coupons will be raffled among the whitelist participants, so hurry up and don't miss this great opportunity. Also pay attention to the Bricken social networks, where you will find a lot of useful and interesting information about the activities of the project, as well as be the first to know about upcoming events and updates. Bricken is an investment company that allows you to invest in real estate, intellectual property, art, and rare valuable assets, while earning passive income. Bricken's vision is to build a self-sustaining, self-governing, and self-funded ecosystem focused on security token offerings. This platform opens up completely new opportunities for you to invest and earn passive income, and also allows asset owners to attract decentralized finance. If you're interested in this project, you can familiarize yourself with it by clicking on the link in the description under this video. If this video was useful for you, support it with a like and share your opinion about Bricken in the comments. Thank you for watching and goodbye.